Speed up manifestation fast. Whew, there it goes. Hello everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And yes, today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I'm going to give you a very simple tip on how to speed up manifestation, make it happen faster. Here's what you do. Number one, get excited about how it's already happening. What did you say? I said get excited about how it's already happening. But it's not happening, Robert. Get excited about how it's already happening. That's a big key. I've worked with business people all over the world, and even when their business hasn't picked up, they're excited about the influx of business that's just around the corner. They're absolutely motivated and excited about how money, prosperity, and increased business is coming to them. The same thing is true with a relationship. Perhaps you've been split up, okay? And I understand that. And that's not a fun place to be. It's an emotional place. But if you're not excited about how things are beginning to happen, then you may be conversely attracting the opposite. In other words, you're worried about how things are not happening, and therefore you're attracting it not happening, okay? So it's all about excitement, it's about passion, and it's about convincing yourself that your intention, your desire, your goals, connected with the infinite power of the universe, will manifest and are manifesting already. In other words, it's not just going to manifest, it's already started. You may see results, and you may see it relatively fast, or you may not. Let's say you have a goal of $100,000. That's your goal. And you get a check in the mail that you didn't expect for $300. And you open it up and you go, wait a minute, I was doing all those affirmations and shamanic tapping for $100,000 and all I got was $300 measly dollars. Guess what you just did? You just slapped the universe right in the face. And you slapped your manifestation and you slapped your attraction as well. But what about this? I open up the letter. There's a check for, oh, I got $300. I'm excited. Man, we're moving. We're moving in that direction. We're moving in the direction of $100,000. We're getting closer. Yesterday, and I'm not exaggerating this, we were walking to the mall, and it was a hot day. We wanted to get inside quickly. But I saw a penny on the ground, and that penny represents energy. It represents vibration. It represents abundance. I stopped. I picked up the penny, and I got excited about my financial goals as I put it into my pocket. So never reject that it's happening. Never say, well, it's just not happening. Because when you say that, that's exactly what you're manifesting. It's not happening. Look you can speed up your manifestation. I mean like this. Fast. If you will just get excited about the fact that it's already happening. And finally, Bathe yourself. Oh, take a deep breath. Bathe yourself in gratitude all day long, every day. Be grateful for all the good things that have happened, are happening, and will happen in your life. You are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. Enjoy the day. Have a great one because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.